Alright guys, what's up? We're back. It is New Year's Day. It is currently 12:30 in the morning, so Happy New Year's to all you guys. Happy 2022. We're starting it off right. Like I said, 12:30 in the morning. We're heading north 2 hours. We're gonna get up there, try and get out an early morning bite for walleye. We got our water, we got the snowmobile, truck's loaded up, cup of joe. We're ready to hit the road. We're gonna see you guys out on the ice. All right, as you can see, we're out here. We spent all morning from 3 a.m. in the shack till I think it's like 10 o'clock right now. Super cold. Shack's too small to really film in. We caught about half a dozen. Nice crappie, a couple walleye, a couple perch. It's really bright out, so I'm probably squinting, looking like an idiot. But it's finally nice enough. We're out of the shack. TJ found a school of roaming fish with his live scope, so we're gonna start filming for you guys. We're camping tonight on the ice. Gonna do a little catch and cook for dinner, and we're gonna go see what TJ is up to. What you got here? It's already frozen. Yeah, it's so cold out. Oh yeah. Right there?
Right, yeah, about 10 feet. Actually, probably pretty close to where
that hole is?
Yeah.
Could definitely go try it.
Yeah, you want to grab the live scope?
Yeah. Hole hopping. Oh yeah, right on top of them. Yeah, right on top of two nice ones. See TJ's jig going down.
Hands are not cooperating.
God, is it cold.
Look at him run right up to
Fish coming up for it.
Oh, there we go.
Got him.
Oh, nice. Ooh. That seems like a nice fish. You want to pull it?
Oh.
Piece of crappie. Tangled up in the deucer. Look at that.
Show the people.
Wow, that's a nice one.
How your hands feel?
Oh, my hands are freezing. It's gotta be 5 below at least.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh. Let's try and get back down there and catch some more. There we go. Another one. We're on the mega school right now. Oh, that is such a nice fish. Wow. Wow. What a beautiful fish. Cool. Oh, there we go. That's a nice fish. Oh my God. One after another. These things are huge. Look at that.
Dandies.
All right, your turn.
Trademark, that's dandy.
Hurry up. Got him?
Got him.
Nice.
TJ finally let me have a turn. I don't think mine's as big as yours though. We gotta drill a second hole for this.
Yeah, she keeps getting in the way.
Alright, well mine's not as big as TJ's, but I'll take it. We need to eat tonight, so.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Catch and cook. you caught all the big ones on me. Now I gotta go clean up the runts.
Ooh, nice.
And I'm okay with it. This is awesome. Like 5 below, crushing crappie. I think this one might be better. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Check that one out.
Another dandy. Do I get the good side
Oh
too?
shit. We gotta switch that mode.
I got you. I got you. Getting kind of good at this live scope stuff. Oh jeez, look at that.
Oh, right on. Dude, that's a nice mark.
That's a dandy mark. Who's gonna get him first?
I don't know where I'm at. Oh, nice.
He came up like a
Smoked it.
rocket, dude.
Guys, still don't know where I'm at yet.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's... that is a...
That might be the biggest crappie I think I've ever caught. Come here. I shot that twice today. That first one at like 3 o'clock this morning. Okay, I'm getting my butt kicked by a fish.
It's a slab.
Take that all day. Thanks for the plastic.
Yeah, no problem. What was that, white?
White. They just scatter or what?
No, they're still on there. It's just,
I got another one coming already.
Oh, really?
Do.
Oh, he's going towards yours now. What the hell?
I see that.
That looks like a nice mark, too.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
He's going up
Eat
for
it. Eat it. Come on. He's chasing. He's chasing.
No, but... Nice.
Come on, get a double. Get a double. Get a double.
No.
Get a double. Another nice crappie.
Definitely hitting the honey hole for crappie. Still fishing for some walleye, though.
Yeah, that was the objective.
Yeah, objective.
That's the word that I wanted. He's actually a little small.
Yeah, throw him back.
You think so? Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I was getting pretty worried there. I didn't know if we were gonna have a dinner or not.
Yeah, it wasn't looking good.
No.
When you set up at 3 in the morning after driving 2 hours, after your wives go to sleep, running on 2 coffees, couple Red Bulls, and a bang.
Still no sleep.
You know, oh my gosh.
Oh.
I'm still a little jittery. Yeah, we still haven't slept. How long are we on now? Like hour 30.
Yeah, it's 11:30 already.
Well, math.
I don't even know.
We gotta be pushing 30 some hours without sleep.
Yeah, definitely.
The grind never quits. That's a big mark, dude. 2 of them.
Swam right by.
He sure did. I got this big one coming. Jesus!
What the hell, dude?
You might have switched to white.
Yeah? You got what color? Oh, wow.
Just a little.
Dude,
bit
that looks like an...
Oh my god! Oh, I got him!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, that is a monster.
I just about sacrificed $100
pair of sunglasses.
No, my
your
mags.
No way, dude.
Oh, that was close. Oh, baby. That might beat my last one.
Wow, we gotta get a tape measure.
Yeah, that's a dandy.
Oh my god!
Gosh!
Ow! Oh my god!
Sheer panic right now.
Dude, there's another massive... Ow! Massive mark down there. Holy...
Just slaying slabs. Who's bigger? Yeah, yours is bigger.
Dude, that thing...
What the hell?
Oh
I got my arm wet for a smaller fish. Worth it. Definitely worth it.
Give him a nice bath.
Dude, this is awesome. I love catching big crappie.
Definitely the most fun ice fishing I've had in a long time.
This might be the most fun I've
I think probably ever.
I had a really good one last year pike fishing, but something about catching them on a rod.
Oh, I
This
prefer
is
100% catching it on a rod.
Especially when it's a Meg's rod.
Yeah. These things are absolutely amazing.
Incredible.
I mean, you guys have heard it probably too many times, but
Worth it.
it's so worth it.
Worth it. We probably wouldn't be catching these fish if it wasn't for these rods.
No. Definitely not.
No. It's all about your equipment. We have a lot of it.
Yeah. It's hard to sit and relax when
I
you're
know.
catching these monsters.
Especially watching the live scope.
It seems like cheating, but it isn't. You still gotta find
Well, you
and
still gotta-
catch the fish.
Yeah, you still gotta catch them.
Sometimes it makes it even worse too.
Oh, this morning. We
just
marked-
watching them.
Watch this. Ready? Crushing it.
Oh, I got.
Oh,
Come
he
on.
came in like a rocket. What the hell? There he is.
Double.
Oh! He came off. Downfall of using tiny jigs. They're kind of digging the white.
I thought we were gonna double up there for a second.
Oh, he's coming by you. See if I can pull him away from you. Got him.
No.
He came off too.
Shoot. Yes.
Lost 2 in a row. He's gone. You're like, whoo.
I don't blame him.
That one felt hooks. Oh my gosh. 2 in a row.
I don't know what's going on.
Dude.
Oh, that's a nice mark.
Oh, he's coming for you. He's coming for you. Oh, come on.
It's so hard to watch.
The
rod tip
anticipation and the
and
Garmin.
the live scope.
I know you gotta watch your rod tip. Because you can't feel these things bite.
Oh, come on.
Why are they all by you? What the hell? Come over by me.
Doesn't matter. I'm not catching them.
My thing feels funny. Oh, that son of a gun took my plastic.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, you got a big
I
mark
know.
suspended. You focus on that.
I'll get you
I
another.
can wait.
Come on. Oh, he just... What?
Oh, look at that mark I've got. Oh.
Maybe you can just catch it on a tungsten jig, but I doubt it.
Could put a minnow head on.
Yeah, you probably could. I got one right there.
Hate to bug a guy when he's fishing, but he brought all the goodies. Keep his head up. Perch. To poichuses.
Gotten a few here and there.
They're nice. 8-inch? 7, 8-inch?
Definitely nothing crazy, but I'll take it.
We're not gonna starve tonight. Now we just gotta figure out how to cook on the ice.
Yeah. Here, you wanna hold that for a second? I'll get you another. Oh, nice right in the face. Oh, drop it down my hole, dude. Look at that.
I'll drop it down your hole.
I'll get you another.
You want me to catch your fish?
Man, you got my bag backwards.
Oh, what has happened?
What did you do?
Oh,
You got my bag backwards.
you got your
You
rod
got my
tangled.
rod all messed up.
Oh, I missed the cast. What are you doing in my way?
I'm trying to get my rod or my bag flipped around.
It's gonna be gone by the time we get there.
Yeah, jeez.
Where is the bait? Yours is a slow faller.
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming in
Oh,
hot.
wow. Dude. Nice.
You want your fish?
All you.
Actually feels like a good one. You might want to.
No, go for it.
Be ready.
Dude, there's another nice.
Oh, dude, it's a giant. That's a big one.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Now they're like.
Are you
13.
kidding me?
Oh, this is so fun. Oh, there's another mark.
That's.
Here, just hand me the thing. Take your.
Which one did you use? This one?
I'll take the box. You take your rod. I can't believe panfish.
I don't even want to
snatch my.
I don't want to go to sleep because I don't want to miss anything.
Won't. As long as we're catching fish.
He's trying to hit it on the down.
Coming hot. Crushing it. Got him. Don't you? Oh, you got him.
Oh, there we go.
Hefty.
It feels like a pretty nice fish.
This is just a slam session. Nice one. Sure seems like a nice one.
Oh.
Oh my god, get him. Ah!
Charlie horse!
Dude!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that is a giant. Don't let him go down the hill.
Oh my. That is the biggest crappie I think I've ever seen. Dude! Oh my god.
16? Probably?
Look at that.
Dude.
That is insane.
That's a beast.
Oh, I got the worst Charlie horse in the world trying to grab that out of there.
We panic so bad.
Wow.
Dude, that thing is huge. That's 9.
And that's a good 4 inches too.
Oh, more than that. That's probably close to 15.
Oh my gosh.
That's a beast. No. What are you doing?
Dipping them.
So we gotta get some pictures of them. Cripes. Dude, that's a giant. Why is this so fun?
Dude, they bolted up.
It's like a video game.
This is way better than a video game.
Yeah, video games suck compared to this.
You get to hang out with your best friend, ice fishing, and you're catching fish. It doesn't get any better than that.
Well, I don't think it does. And I prefer being up. I am fishing.
Yeah.
Jesus.
What? Look at that thing.
Come on.
It's coming in hot too.
Come on.
There must be a nice school coming. Look at that.
I don't know what these are. They're big.
And they're not biting. Oh, they are now.
Hooked up.
Yeah. Whatever that is.
Dude.
It's got to be a nice fish.
Oh yeah, another nice. Come here. Oh, God. Oh, phone almost went down the hole.
The what?
I said the phone almost went down the hole.
Oh, that'd been bad.
It's worth it.
Did you get it?
Yep. Probably a 11 and a half.
Oh, there we go.
Dead sticking it. Dead sticking with plastics. That just goes to show how crazy this bite is. What do you got?
Another nice crappie.
This is just unreal.
Look at that.
Just slaying them. It's gonna show the people that camp. I'm not sure how we're gonna get all that into here. We got my cot, TJ's cot, a couple holes for ice fishing. I think filming is done for the most part. Where'd you go? Staking her down.
Perfect machine for this.
Got some fish to clean and eat. Excited to eat?
Oh, I am so excited to eat.
When was the last time we ate? Last night, dinner?
Yeah, like
Almost 24 hours ago. So we missed breakfast, lunch. We'll get dinner, thank God. That thing is nifty.
Oh, I hate it. You can never get them started.
Show the people. Mr. J. Siemens. Catch and cook crunchy. Oil. Perch. Walleye. Crappie. Cast iron pan. TJ trying to get our heat back.
Son of a gun. Working.
Money. That smells so good. And we forgot utensils, so ice scoop it is to get the fish out of here.
What are you gonna put them on?
Paper towel. Also forgot plates. Oh gosh. How cold was it outside?
Guessing like 2 degrees maybe.
Fried fish, baby.
And we can't get it heated.
Yeah, and we're still working on that. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. It's currently 6 below right now. We're freezing our butts off. So we're going to get packed up here. We're going to head home to our wives, have a fish fry, get warm. We had an absolute blast. We crushed the fish. First annual Bro Down in Icetown is done. We're going to try and do this every year, me and TJ. Big ice camping trip. So we're going to bring you guys with every year. Keep watching. Thanks guys. Much love. Peace.